Wagwan family, welcome back to my channel. Yeah man. So today I'm gonna share with you how to make spicy onion fried shrimp. First we wash the shrimp with lime, season with my Briscoe's all-purpose seasoning, some yellow mustard for some color. You wanna mix it properly. Yeah man, so that the seasoning could marinate. Now I'm cutting up one scotch bonnet pepper. We only need one scotch bonnet pepper for this and a piece of sweet pepper. Some fresh thyme. Now I dice up this fine as ever to make the sauce. Yeah, so now I'm gonna start the sauce with some butter, melt the butter, add my peppers and thyme, saute them down properly in the butter. Now I add my honey. Yeah, so that is my spicy honey sauce. Now I'm gonna add some cornstarch to the shrimp them so they could crispy. Just like that, my people. Now I'm gonna fry them for 6 minutes. No longer than 6 minutes. Drain off the oil off of them. Now I'm gonna add the sauce to them. Look at that, my people. Nice and juicy. Me have to taste one. Yeah, man.